Hey everyone. I'm sorry I'm late. I know that. Yeah. I had some stuff to do, so I'm really sorry. Mm. Good morning, sunshine. Hey everyone. How you guys are doing? Huge applause. How was the day so far? I think I know what happened. Okay, let me know. Let me know what you know. Let me know. I did not sleep. But let me know what you know. Nothing has happened actually. Nothing. I wish something would have happened, but no. Look at this crazy trade that I was actually taking. I mean, it went all the way up, then down. I closed it here, but still, wow. By the way, my stop loss originally was at 255.25, exactly at the low of this candle. So if I would have stayed in this trade all the way long, it would not have reached my TP and went all the way down, take me out and go up there. So this was a very, very tricky trade. I'm actually, if I would have stayed in here, that would be one more loss for the day. So yeah. That was interesting. By the way, look at the hourly. Went through all those buy side, and only thing left is the bearish order block from last Thursday. So that's still up there. Large lunch, maybe a little too much water. I had to ration. Okay. But chocolate. Okay. So much it's going elbow deep to put in. Oh my god. Tournament is going elbow deep to pull out there, and then oh my god, that is great. Yeah, almost, by the way, almost. You almost figured it out. But thanks. Oh my god. Oh, well, anyway. Buy side has been taken here and here. Was there market structure shift? There was. Breaking lower. I think it can go down to 285 from here, but honestly, it is tricky. I see the 1 hour order block still pretty much a good target up there. So I mean, this London session was super tough, and I still don't understand why did this one not go once more and take out the Asia lows. That is still a mystery. But I wouldn't be surprised if there would be some kind of a... I mean, look at this. This is actually a market structure shift on the 5 minute. We're going to have the futures opened up in a few minutes. So what do we have? There. Bearish market structure shift on the 5 minute. That is interesting. 5 minute OTE. Let's check it. 5 minute OTE. All right. So the golden level should be here. Come on. I'm going to eyeball it here. Okay. Golden level should be there. If I go down to the 1 minute. Wow. All right. So if we go back into this fair value gap up here, that should be an optimal trade entry to go short on the 5 minute. What do you guys think? We have some nice targets down there. We have this area as a 5 minute inversion fair value gap. We have relative equal lows here 3 times. We have Asia lows. Let's check the daily candle. Can this one push higher? Doesn't seem like that strong. It can still just dump and go through this gap down to 964 easily, at least to the 900s. Oh, that's too far. That's like 400 points. I don't know, man. I don't know. Feels weird. So this is where we are at right now. Any thoughts? All right. So that's what we're waiting for. Should be okay. Oh, $100. You lost the PA account? Well, I don't know exactly what happened here, to be honest. What I'm looking at right now is just a possible optimal trade entry scenario. Sorry. ES also went higher. ES actually, no, it didn't. I thought it made a historical high, but didn't. I'd like to see a sell-off, to be honest. On the 5-minute, it looks beautiful. Futures are about to open. We're right at the optimal trade entry. Going higher. Not sure. Not sure. This is a 5-minute entry, so careful. Let's see what's going to happen at the open right now. Well, don't worry about that because I had a bad session as well in London. So it's in the cards. Just trying to measure how far can this one go down. Yeah, the entry is not up. It's not that good. Well, you know, at times like that, 100 lot, you know, maybe that's the best thing. I started out real bad, but came back and broke even. That's good. That's also a situation when you should consider to take the rest of the day off. I'm actually thinking to maybe, let me check again, the possible risk here. Yeah. In the hope of this one can maybe go lower, but who knows. I mean, if we are talking about optimal trade entry, then this is the place when it should be a nice 5-minute short here. And we have some beautiful targets on both ES and NQ on the downside, but not sure. This is risky. This is risky. I mean, if we would target the lows, that would be at 284, maybe. 284. Oh yeah, look at that. 284 is down here. Yeah, 284. That could have been, that should have been a reasonable target to let the market drop. I mean, it has taken some levels, but yeah. Where can it go, right? Good morning, Tommy. Hey there. Glad you got it back. Yeah. How is everybody doing? Let me give everyone a proper welcome applause. Thanks for joining. Handsome. Oh, good morning. Hey there. Thank you. Morning. Handsome. I'm handsome. You know, guys. Thank you. I'm blushing right now. Thank you. Bring him out. What does that mean? Bring him out. Yeah, got to breathe. All out war. Hey there. Hi guys. How you guys doing? Looking for some sell-off actually. But nothing serious. I'm not sure. If you look at the 5-minute chart, this should be an optimal trade entry right here on the 5-minute, but If this one fails, then we're going for the 1 hour order block. And that can still be the case, I'm afraid. Down there, we have some very, very juicy targets on the 5 minute. Also, relative equal highs 3 times on the low. Asia lows are still intact down there at 227. And, you know, I wouldn't be surprised if this would be, you know, a little bit weaker during the rest of the day. But the thing is, I think ES wants to go for historical highs at 257, right? And that can bring it a little bit higher. Mighty Ox is the worst futures trader on YouTube, so don't feel bad. Okay, thank you, Dwyer. Kathy, hey there, good to see you, Kathy. How you doing, Kathy? Shalom, hey there, Sabbat. How is everyone? Let's wait and see. If this one tends to go higher, then the only scenario I can see is going for that 1 hour order block, which is quite possible, I think. So let me check it real quick. 1 hour order block, it's higher than 31. Yeah, that could be happening. That could be happening, actually. So it could be taking a new high, who knows. Right now on the 5 minute optimal trade entry or 50% fib. And if it would start to dump from here, then we can see it go all the way down to, well, there is a nice sell side at 284. That would be interesting, but might be the case like nothing's gonna happen until then. I mean, until the market open. So one South player crypto. Hey there. Move to Puerto Rico to save taxes, they say. Oh, really? Okay. I heard about that, actually. That's good. Good idea. Should do that, I think. Tax haven. Tax haven, tax heaven. Let's find out what's going to happen here. Let's find out what's going to happen in this area. It feels like it's just gaining momentum to push higher, but I don't know. Market open is still like 40 minutes away. Do they want to dump this one before that or what, you know? I don't know. I have no idea. You know, it's hard to take a trade before market opens. So today I am down because this London session, I gotta tell you guys, this was very frustrating. I was just outside at the park and I was super frustrated because of this London session. So I wanted to go long here and got taken out, which is fine because I was just aiming for previous day high. Fine, okay. Then wanted to enter again when it took me out. I started to go up, so I just entered the scalp on this small fair value gap to continue to get this high. And it immediately went down there and added one more position to this scalp. And as you can see, the result, everything bad is just went super bad. So I'm down actually 2R for that. And this trade, wow, this is my original take profit and stop loss. I closed it at break even during the stream, but look at this. Almost went to the take profit, went back down, took my stop loss and went back up to take profit. Now this is real frustrating. So wow, I was like, what the hell is going on? Couldn't believe my eyes. Like, this was super frustrating. Anyway, down 2R for the day because of the scalps. So this might have been the case like here. I mean, the 5-minute optimal trade entry seems like it's working out so far. If some of you guys wanted to enter, I'm flat. I have no orders. Let me show you. I'm flat, as you can see. Nothing. But, well, this was an interesting case. By the way, guys, please help out the stream by pushing the like. Thank you so much. That's always helpful. Look at this tank. Seems like that original target sell side at 284 is gonna get taken. Again, I feel the FOMO here. Huge FOMO. Huge FOMO. But it's good to see how it reacted to that optimal trade entry level right there. It's really interesting. And now that it's taken some sell side, comes the question, if it's going to shift higher, then we're going for that 1 hour order block. I think so. I'll be looking for that, but we're approaching market open and at the afternoon, Powell is going to do some nasty stuff and he's going to do some adult content stuff, you know, to everyone. And yeah. Nothing to do, just wait. This train has left the station already, so that's it. Just have to wait. Let me know what you guys are looking for, any trading plan for the session. I'm looking at these lows still here. Let me show you at the 5-minute. This low, I'm gonna actually draw it again here. So fair value gap here. And what do you know? How interesting this is on the 5-minute. Fair value gap, boom, just bursted through. So this level is definitely interesting. And it has not gone down to that gap again to reclaim this area, which makes it much more interesting. So I'm gonna keep an eye on for that level. Morris, hey there, good evening or good morning. Lucas, hey guys, welcome to the stream. ES is better than NQ right now. You think so? Let's check it. I'm rarely trading ES, but I suppose like this right there, the 52.33 is the Asia low. Do you guys think that it is going to take it? It's like 5 handles. It's not too far. I think ES can do it. ES has the power. Like He-Man, you know. Remember that cartoon? I have the power. But it's hard to say. Sell side after this one should be here, then here. We have a small liquidity void down there. Could be a sell-off, guys. And if it is, then we should go at least to the 55s. The problem is, market open is not far away. I'm short from 324. Oh, wow. How did you spot that level? 324, wow. How did you do that? That is like... Oh my god, Morris. Yeah, 4-hour chart, alright. Morris, you the man. You the man. Small little liquidity void down there. Oh man. Lafta is saying NQ is stronger. I mean, ES is respecting these levels much better, I think. NQ is good too. I'm not saying which one is better, but or one is better than the other, but maybe ES is more predictable, I guess. But I'm also using it as kind of an indicator to measure some targets, distance, or risk. So let's do this. And while we're waiting, don't forget Apex still has the 80% off. 1 day passed, guys. If you could support my stream, I would greatly appreciate if you use my code. Or to any other prop firms. And I know BULENOX has a 90% sale, but only for the first month. So keep that in mind, alright? Only for the first month. TOPSTEP gives you a 20% discount from your if you register through my link, which is very good. For example, if you have a 150k account, it's a very good discount. And My Funded Futures upgraded my code, so 30% not just from the accounts, but from reset and activation fee on the starter accounts only. On experts, you get 5%. And 20% discount from resets. But the starter accounts gives you a very good discount. Hey, good morning. Fandy, how you doing? Good to see you again. Any good trades so far? Let me know, guys. I know what's going to happen, by the way. As soon as markets opens up, everybody's just going to leave me here alone. Yeah, I'm just going to be alone on an island. Here, I have 16 past accounts at BULENOX. I'm not activating them so far. Parking mode, yeah. Well, I think like if you're not activating them, you still have to pay the monthly fee. So just keep that in mind. A lot of people are calling Nikkei the better index. What I trade is ES. I'm tired of switching markets. Yeah, I'm not switching to 15 USD. Yeah, oh yeah, 15. Nice. That's it. I mean, $15 to keep them on park. That's cool. I mean, that's fine. That's fine. That's still manageable. You just keep them on the shelf. Or you can activate them and maybe they do the same like TOPSTEP does. So if you have like 10 accounts passed, you can have like 3 Express funded accounts. You can still activate the rest and they will just let you trade on those when you unfortunately would fail on some of your Express funded accounts. Okay. Let's see what is happening. I do feel like we should be getting down here. At least to 278. The problem is when, you know. And this level down is pretty good. Also, relative equal lows. Don't forget it, guys. Lots of stuff going on. I tried to activate 3, but need to approve from Apex first to reinvest. Yeah. Absolutely. Absolutely understandable. So are we going down to 77? I think we will. Tempted to jump in, but, you know, can never know how it's gonna play out. There is a liquidity void here, right? Yeah, there is one at 271. Yeah, the problem with market open is if you're in a trade, it can shake you out very easily, especially like yeah. Well, the FOMC is going to be at the PM session, so the market open is going to be interesting. How is Nvidia doing? Everybody's talking about Nvidia. I haven't checked it so far. I have 5 50k accounts TOPSTEP. I do one per week. If I blew one, I switch to the practice account. I don't buy resets anymore. Yeah, exactly. That's what I do. By the way, I'm not canceling my accounts. I have blown Apex accounts and BULENOX account too, with a very good discount price. So I'm just going to let them rebill me with the same discount price, and that's it. I don't need resets because I have accounts for almost every week that is expiring. Unfortunately, not too much, but 1 and 2 here and there. I'm just waiting for the next one to be reset with the same discount price. It's way better. Way better. Below the 300. Jumping in right now to a trade is a little bit of a gamble, guys, just so you know. I'm down about $150 on each of my accounts, which is not that good, and that's why I have to think what to do here. There was an optimal trade entry here on this fair value gap on the 5-minute, just at the midpoint. But if you zoom out, you see we have a 1 hour order block higher at 372 bearish order block, so that could be also a target. Sometimes forgetting to cancel, and I'm being charged almost every day. Hey, I mean, as far as you get a discount price, why not? At least you know you can try one more with a good price. Oh, sorry. So I'm just saying that you should check the static account because it's still on. That's mainly what I said. It's no 2 contracts, I know, but the profit target is good. Charlie Chaplin, yeah. So go check out the static is still available at my funded futures, and yeah, and go check out the $104 activation fee for the starter account. Even if you choose the 100K account, it's still cheaper than TOPSTEP, for example. But the main game changer, and I wanted to show you guys this, and I also retweeted this one because I loved this. Now, I can't state this enough how important. So my funded futures said, my funded futures distinguishes itself as the only prop firm that instantly removes funds from your account upon a payout request. Unlike other firms that take 14 days hoping you lose your profits. Now, everybody keeps forgetting this is a game changer. This is a game changer. I mean, TOPSTEP does the same. They remove the funds on the same day when you request the payout, but this is a game changer at any prop firm. For example, Apex. I love Apex, by the way. No issue. But Apex, you have to wait. Sometimes a week or more. Sometimes a week or more. Somebody subscribed. GWGW. Just subscribe. Thank you so much. Welcome to the team. I believe you said is to treat the account, not that we have 50K, but in reality you have only 2K. Yeah. 2K, still trying to wrap my head around the reality of this prop firm world. Yeah, we definitely have to treat the account as if it were real money. I mean, you have to respect your money management style. You have to respect the rules. And yeah, for example, the starter account, which I have with my funded futures, I'm trading it since like 36 days. Let me show you. It's here. And I think it's a good example of how you should treat your account. So let me go back to February. Look at this. So I started this account. It's just a starter account, no big deal. A 50K starter. Started here every day consistently with micros. Okay, I had minis as well, like 5% of the time, but mainly micros. And also in this month, and so far this is consistency. As you can see, it's looking so far so good. Today I'm down a little bit, but the win ratio is good. Average win, the average loss is not good. Now this is a little bit too high. Profit factor is still okay-ish, but you know, and I don't care that I got rebuild because I'm taking it slowly. That's why you should do the same. I mean, it gives you more confidence in your trading style. Thinking to go YOLO on open today. Yeah, well, hoping the market tickles my pickle. Because that's all you have. The drawdown is technically your max amount. Exactly. I guess the only thing that helps you mentally, I mean, you see the amount like $50,000 something dollars. But in reality, you have only $2,000. But rest assured, it locks in at your initial balance. So as soon as you go above the $2,000 or $2,600 threshold, you are building up your account for yourself. So, but you know, the main thing that prop firms are offering you is a little bit of leverage. That's it. Nothing more. Because you only have to invest like $100, $200, and you get to trade with a higher leverage. That's the main reason for the whole business, to have more leverage. That's what they give you. That's all you have, yeah. The drawdown is technically your max amount of liquidity. Exactly. Like I see some Forex traders on YouTube, I'm not going to say names, who are saying they have $6 million in capital, funded capital. And I'm a little bit smiling and laughing because it's a great achievement. I mean, $6 million. In reality, that is $600,000, which is still good. Or I see someone posting like managing $400,000 in funded capital. That is $40,000. That's it. Just so you have to be clear about that. If you pass a 50K futures prop firm account, evaluation account, you're managing $2,000. That's it. If you pass 150K account, you're managing around $4,500 most of the cases. So that's the capital that you work with. That's true. Can't wait, take a nap. Yeah, I trading during FOMC, going to be out by then. Yeah, Patrick Wieland is always trading $3 million. Well, he's trading differently. He's gambling a little bit there. He's a gambler. I mean, no, I take that back. I don't have any problem or any issue with him. He's trading differently. He's a prop firm gamer. He's a prop gamer. That's the term I like to use. He has an edge, a system. He's YOLOing like 20 Apex accounts at a time. And he has 20 PA accounts. And he's YOLOing those accounts again. And if it's not working out, he gets another 20 from Apex for free. And he tries again. Sooner or later, maybe he'll get lucky, but he have to go with like 10 trading days, I think. But he's always YOLOing. I mean, a few weeks ago, I mean, he's doing the Apex since like 2 or 3 months now, since the start of the year. And I mean, about 2 weeks ago, he said on live stream that he did not take a payout from Apex yet. So just, let that sink in. He's trading with Apex like with an exclusive deal, I'm guessing. And he's YOLOing like 20 accounts all the time on his streams. But he hasn't taken a payout yet, which is no problem. It's his business. But it's because he's going all in and he's blowing up those accounts immediately, constantly. But sooner or later, eventually he takes out payout, but the way he trades is different than a regular trade model or something. I have no problem with it. It's his way. Anyway, I talk too much about Patrick Wieland. I don't care what he does anyway. Yeah, he goes in with maximum contracts, 15 contracts per account. Go all in, and that's it. Let's face it, guys. That's not real trading. Going in with 15 minis. Even if you're having a 150K account, you have $4,500 on your account that you're managing, and you're going in with 15 minis. You wouldn't do that ever with your own personal money. Anyway, that's a different game. I have no issue with that. He's gaming the system, and that's his style. Respect for him, and good for him. Yeah, he gets it. He gets a monthly salary. That's 100% sure. And I'm guessing it's a quite large amount of money. And free resets and free account codes, 100% sure. So when he blows like 20 accounts, no problem. He just, puts in his code and has another 20 for the next stream. So that's how simple it goes. Not a huge deal. Of course, I don't know that. I'm just guessing. But I highly doubt that he buys 20 accounts and then activates 20 accounts every second day. or every 5 days. I highly doubt it. A train clown. I might buy today the MFF with your code. You seem Hungarian. I'm Hungarian. I am Hungarian, Morris. I've spent nice 5 years. Oh, great. My wife was Hungarian and kids are, citizens. You're Georgian. Wow. Morris, hey. Dude, you and me are bros. Almost. We are bros. We are brothers from another mother, you know. Morris, that's cool. Thank you, by the way. If anyone is using my codes, thank you for support. A few dollars here and there helps me out with the bills. Thank you. I'm dedicating myself full time here. I'm not making that kind of money. I'm gonna make a breakdown video about how much I made from affiliate commissions, but I'm gonna tell you right now that I made about, with Apex, with TOPSTEP, with my funded futures, BULENOX, I haven't received the payout yet. I made about $400 in a month. Actually, it was not 1 month because I had to go over the $100 threshold and it took me more than 1 month. So I made about $400 to $500 in 2 months from affiliate commissions. I know it's not much, but you know, it helps with the bills. It helps with you know, putting some food on the table. So thank you if you're using my codes. Yeah. The goal is to make money from trading, of course, but the affiliate things are helping me out, so appreciate if you guys help out the stream. Thank you. All right. He blows accounts. Yeah. Said after 10 years or so, he still has not been successful in real trading. Real eye-opener for newbies. Well, it's his style. I'm not judging him for that. If that's how he does business, you know, at the end of the day, the question is he making money or not? He's making a huge chunk of money from exclusive deals with the prop firms. He made a ton of money from TOPSTEP. Now he's making a ton of money with Apex. His YouTube is bringing very, very good money for him, I guess. So I have some ballpark numbers of what he's making. So, you know, ask yourself, if you were in his position, would it really matter? I think it wouldn't. I think it wouldn't. I think you would do the same. Maybe I would do the same. I think so too. So I would be promoting exclusively those companies, taking my paycheck, a very good, hefty paycheck, enjoy life, build my following, you know. Why lie to yourself? I mean, that's human nature. So I'm still trying to figure this out. And despite the fact that I took some payouts last year, this year only won $350 payout from TOPSTEP. I still have funded account with TOPSTEP. I like TOPSTEP. They are great. These prop firms that you see on the top of the screen, these are the ones I really like. I might go into trade with the Take Profit Trader too. I think these are the ones that are having good rules, good support. I don't have any issue with the end of day, with the intraday trading stop. Not a problem because I trade small. If you trade small, there is no problem with the intraday trailing. Actually, it forces you to do proper risk management, which is good. It is forcing you to do proper risk management. I would love to know how much the owners of the firm. Oh, you would love to? I can tell you. Not exactly, but I can give you a ballpark number. I mean, anyway, forget it. I cannot confirm that to you. But I heard some rumors, but you know, For example, TOPSTEP is making on a monthly basis, it's making millions of dollars, including the activation fee, the resets, and all that. It's in the seven figure. It's in the seven figure that TOPSTEP is making. It's paying out only a portion of that. Check out Apex Trader. I think it's on the website. Apex Trader. Apex Trader funding. There you go. Total compensation to customers since 2022, $100 million. Average monthly compensation to customers, $7 million. Average monthly. Now, their gross income, that's how they say in US, right? Gross income from failed accounts should be way higher than this. They should be making at least double the amount. And the thing why I think this could be realistic, because they are licensed with CFTC and SEC and one of the OGs, so they must be making way more than that, way more. In the last 90 days, $37 million. So trust me, they are killing the market. They are killing the market. Yeah. So TOPSTEP is making a portion of this, but still they are killing the market. So TOPSTEP, I think, is paying out about $1 million or something. Sorry, maybe even less. And they're also making millions in income. And these are licensed prop firms, regulated, and they cannot lie. If they put this out, the CFTC is going to F them hard. So trust me, these numbers are pretty much give you an estimate what kind of a business are we moving right now. I am receiving from the profit. Yeah, I mean, I don't care if they pay me out from failed challenges. I couldn't care less. I don't care. I don't care that I trade on a simulated account. Who cares? Guys, I hope, I know you guys are smarter than that, but I really hope there is none of you who were really thinking, even that on the Forex prop firms, they were really putting your trades on the funded account, quote unquote funded account, to the real market. No, never, never, ever. No intention. They will never. I know it says live on MetaTrader, but that's a rented server. They can write whatever they want there. It's not live. They never put you on the live market. Never. You were always trading as a B-booked trader. I mean, your trades never go out to the market. Never ever. It's not just my funded future, sorry, my Forex funds that got shut down. Every prop firm does the same thing. Every single prop firm. Who cares? I don't care. I couldn't care less. B-book is illegal in America. That's why these Forex prop firms having issues or had issues with MetaTrader, and they are pulling all their companies offshore. I don't want to say names, but they are, you know, pulling their stuff, their paperwork, their companies, the registrations offshore, like super quickly. And yeah. And by the way, let me just tell you this. Back in the days, like 10 years ago, it wasn't that far back then, but I talked to a guy from a Forex brokerage firm that was operated here in Hungary. And they are having overseas branches as well. And he told me that, so they are regulated in Europe and in my country as well. Just a regular not prop firm, Forex brokerage firm. It's not a prop firm, just a regular Forex brokerage firm. And if they see someone depositing like $5,000 or $3,000, whatever, they immediately put it to be booked. They never put their trades out to the real market, because For a few $1,000s is absolutely manageable risk for those companies, because they know that 90% of those people are going to lose their money anyways. So why should they bother putting their money out to the real market? They just let them lose it in-house. You know, they B-book them immediately. And this guy told me from this Forex firm that they considering those deposits as income for the company. That is income. It's they writing down to the books like, okay, John Smith deposited $5,000 to a Forex account. That is income. That is automatically income. Be booked. Perfect. If someone is depositing 100K, then they are putting that person or institution to the A book. They are watching how they trade. They're monitoring the trades, and if they see that they are losing constantly, then they're also putting them to B book and letting them lose the money. And it's all the company's money then. That's how they do it. They B book 90% of everyone who is depositing money. Forex brokerages, guys, that's how they work. And not just those guys. This is, I mean, I was believing in many stuff. These are all casinos. Hey Joy. Hey Joy, how you doing? These are all casinos, guys. They work just like a casino. I don't care which prop firm we're talking about. I don't want to say names. They don't want your best interest because their business model is for you to lose money. They want to still be okay. Yeah, you're welcome, Lofta. They just don't forget it. I'm not going to say names because every prop firm works a little bit differently. But still, the main business model of the of the prop firm is they have to make sure that they have an edge against you, against the trader. That's how they make money. If they smile in your face, they have an awesome customer service. They're smiling. You know, they're sending you very good emails like, come on, you should do this, use this, we're gonna use a webinar and we're gonna help you out, figure this out and that out. But that's all just sugarcoating. That's all just, you know, making you blind like, oh wow, this prop firm is so good, they really want me to succeed. No, they don't. They want you to fail. They are hoping that you will make those mistakes because they know that 95% of those traders are going to lose like crazy. That's how simple it is. It's not a Ponzi scheme, actually. It's not because they have proof. I'm sure that all of these prop firms can prove even the regulated prop firms have proof that the failed challenges are way outweighing those who are getting payouts. And that's why they don't have problems holding webinars, send you some educational material, because they know you will not going to read it anyways. You're not going to be at the webinar anyways. They have tens of thousands of traders from all around the world, and you see like 200 people on their webinars, and maybe a few of those people are going to be successful. So the edge is tremendously on the prop firm's side. They don't want you to be successful. They're doing all this for marketing. It's marketing, guys. It's just marketing. I'm sorry. That's the reality. Do not forget that. Prop firms are a very good opportunity. I love them. Very good vehicle. They are forcing you to do proper risk management. You can make money with them if you're a good trader. So that is why prop firms are good. They give you leverage. But long term, a prop firm wants you to fail. And long term, your goal should be to channel out some money, put it in your own account. I don't know. We could be talking about this for hours. It's a long story. AI bots. My thoughts about AI bots. I don't know. You know, it was 2007 again. 2007. It was like, oh my god, it was 17 years ago when I first saw or first got to know Forex trading. And I don't know, some of you guys might remember Fab Turbo. It was an expert advisor at MetaTrader, Fab Turbo. So I bought that in 2007. I was an idiot. I bought that for like $200, I don't even know, and deposited like $1,000 to my Forex account with MetaTrader. And of course it lost money. And in 2008, 2009, I was in a dream that I thought that expert advisors back then, that's, you know, how they called it, or robots, can actually trade for you. Now today's robots are much better and sophisticated and everywhere. I mean, anyway, I think these algorithms, how I like to call them, these algos, are being used every day by big institutions. But on a retail level, I don't believe that there is an AI bot that is going to make a difference in your results. Maybe for a few weeks, maybe for a month or two, I don't know. But I do not believe that there is an AI bot on retail level, even if you buy it for $5,000 or whatever. There is no AI bot on a retail level on NinjaTrader, Quantower, whatever platform you're using, that is going to make you constantly profitable and you can just sit back and do nothing and you know, trust the system. No, because the market is changing, a lot of factors are changing, and those AI algos you're not going to get. Only the big boys, the big institutions are going to have those algos. Anyway, I was talking too much because we're waiting for market open. Sorry if I was talking too much. But yeah, at least push a like button. Thank you. Anyway, great commentary from a seasoned trader. I do appreciate. Well, I'm not a pro. I was just talking about the information that I gathered over the years and what I experienced, you know. That's it. That time was great for me. I had 2 million invested. What? 2 million investment from around the globe in Forex? Morris, come on, man. You had 2 million? I hope not in pesos. If you had $2 million invested, call me up. I want to do business with you. That is awesome, man. Yeah, different times back then. Different times. Different times. Oh, you shared my chat. Oh, thank you so much, Lofta. Thank you, thank you. Thank you so much. Well, I'm blushing again. Thanks. Yeah, he has deep pocket. So we're just ahead of the market open here. I am going to let you guys see the thing in real movement. Let's see. There. Okay. So this is the 1 minute chart, and yeah. Quantower shows the candles printing much better. I mean, a little bit more. It's updating much faster than TradingView. I wonder if we are going to go higher. We can take out. So we have this bearish order block around 372 on the 1 hour chart. So if you look at the 1 hour chart, this is the order block I was talking about here last Thursday. Here. I would like to see it being broken because we're pretty much bullish today. So buy side should be, I'm going to put a buy side marker there. Buy side, all right. So that's what I'm looking for. Let me zoom it out so you guys can see. All right. 1 minute away from market open. I'm gonna have an opening bell. It's gonna be super loud. I'm just saying that you guys could be prepared. It's gonna last for 12 seconds or 11, almost 12. It's gonna be super loud. Opening bell. Turn down your speakers a little bit or your headsets, and you know, don't say I didn't tell you. How are we doing? Okay, so get ready. Yeah, now it's much better. All right. I'm gonna count down. It's gonna be 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Market is open for business. Let's see what is good all doing. So far, NQ is not doing anything. ES also struggling. Should be reaching for a daily high, but we don't know anything about that yet. NQ wants to take out the 31, which is gonna, yeah, there you go, 31 taken out. The high order block is at 72, could be pushing higher. There you go. Order block is 72. I'm gonna put a marker there. Bearish order block at 72, and the next target is at 81. Are we gonna go up there? I wonder. I mean, we could easily, super easy. Gotta be patient here. Checking ES. ES is now turning down a little bit on the 5-minute, dumping on the 1. Nothing serious is happening so far. Be careful. Do they want to take it higher? I think they can, or they will, but ES is still struggling there. No entry so far, nothing on the 1 minute to be exact. Small fair value gap just filled here. Is it enough to continue? Still feels heavy a little bit. If it goes down, then well, should be taking those highs, but who knows? Or if they want to dump it, they can do to go down all the way to the 278 level. It's not a big distance from there. Or are we just gonna go to the order block up at the 70s? Indecision still. Nothing. Pretty much stuck. ES looks like it wants to dump. If they dump this one too, then yeah. Gotta be careful. No dump. Yeah, it could be the case that they're just gonna pump it real high. But if they want to dump it, you know, this might be the area to do so. All the way down to, yeah. Don't know. Gotta be careful, you know. Gotta be careful. Because then they should put it down to where? Let's see. All the way down to the 82s. Can be a shakeout. No. Still nothing. Or we can be just hovering around in this area. Maybe take out the lows at 82. It's not too far, but for NQ, it's not a big deal. Question is, can they do it? Will they do it? It's like 10 points down. Still going. I have no position. Just waiting. Let me know if you guys have a plan or something. Let me show you. I have Oh, where is it? Come on. Come on, where is it? I am moving a limit entry, but I just deleted that. There it is. So I have no orders. But I think the 76 level could be taken. It's going down. Took out this one here. Still short. Well, yeah, there you go. This level, just wanted to say the 78 could be taken out. And the problem is I don't have any retracement, so they can easily target this level down there, the 5-minute gap. We were talking about the 55 level quite a few times. Taking that, all we need is a retracement. For example, if it would go, well, there was a market structure shift here. So if it would go above 91, that would be a good short for me. Or if this candle closes, I would enter around 85 with a small short to target the 55s. Remember, these levels down there, relative equal lows, fair value gap, beautiful targets. I wouldn't be surprised if those levels would be tagged. Right here. Now it's going back up there. Almost like an optimal trade entry. Okay, I'm in with 1 micro, so nothing special. Limit is down there. My target is 56, actually 58 right now, but only with 1 micro, guys. So I'm in with one. Oh, you guys can see it. Hold on. This is my entry. I'm targeting that level down. I might add 1 more to scalp it. If it goes against me, I'm just gonna close it as it is. I'm only going with 1 micro because I already had losses today, and I have to limit my losses, unfortunately. But what can I do? 77. I mean, this down there, this 56 could be good. Adding 1 more. One more here. 58. This is a scalp trade. I'm adding a hard stop up there. It's not my final stop. I'm going to exit manually, most likely, if I see this one stopping. If I get scared, I'm just gonna exit manually. If the 58 is not gonna go, come on, man. That's it. I'm closing it. I closed it. I don't like this. I don't care if it goes down. I don't like to scalp. I made $10. Yeah. I don't like how it moves. At least I made 10 bucks. I just can't bear with this price action. Too much for me. Too much stress. On the 5 minute, it can still go back into this optimal trade. I mean, this is a bearish breaker, by the way. So the 5 minute is closing in 2 minutes and 40 seconds. Optimal trade entry for this short would be around up here at 300. If this candle is closing here and we're gonna have this fair value gap, I might try to re-enter in this fair value gap to go short and target these lows. I might do that, I don't know. But I just don't like this. Never like to scalp my way back from a hole. That usually ends up by me making a bigger hole for myself. Get out of... Oh, wow. No dump. Reshorting. Out. Nice. Well, again, I think this gap at 55 could be... There you go. Could be a target. So just be careful. It's 10 points. I think it will dump there. But it can bounce, so be careful. It can easily bounce up. It should go down there in the next minute. And I exited earlier because I was a chicken. It's fine. I don't like to scalp anyway. So should be going down to 55 here. There. It's already there. Almost there. Almost there. And I think it's already pierced. Yeah, there you go. 55. All right. All right. So target taken. Let me delete this. Fair value gap has been reclaimed down here. Next target could be equal lows here. 3 equal lows. At 234-ish. 235 maybe would be safer. 36. No retracement so far. Yeah, yes, exactly. If you find yourself in a hole, just try not to dig a deeper hole. That is a very important rule. Okay, what do we have? We have a retracement. Maybe not even a retracement. Maybe we will see a shift and try to go higher again. What is ES doing? I haven't really checked it. ES, I think it will go for those lows. So I have a feeling that it's not over yet, guys. I have a feeling that NQ will go again. Yeah, this price action is definitely effed. Who knows what's gonna happen here? We had a small fair value gap here. If they want to go down to the 36s, then they can do so by, yeah, going down there. But, you know, have to wait for a retracement first, I think. Very strange price action for sure. Nothing, I mean, not that I like. I mean, you can go short here and let me see. You can go short here, stop here, and target 34. Well, then you should go all the way down there in that case. Maybe this entry could have been a good one. Yeah. Definitely going to visit 20, hold on, 35-ish area. Yeah, look at that. 20 points. It's going for it. 35. Maybe 36 even. But on a retracement, it can be dangerous. Yeah, now it's retracing a bit. Back to the entry area. Just a little bit higher. It can go back to the 60s and then try to go for those lows. Equal lows, that is. I do like that area down there. With patience, we get normal price action, just like yesterday. Exactly. Exactly. Looking for a short, but doesn't. Yeah, I mean, the equal lows are there. Those are a good target, in my opinion, but maybe if it goes back to that area up there, right? I mean, at least to around 64-ish, then maybe. Like, should be around here in this area. Then maybe. You know. It can go. I mean, the level that we're looking for is somewhere around 35, 34.50, where the relative equal lows are. That is somewhere at 30, 35, yeah. Just wait, this is just liquidity collection. Then they release and we, yeah, that's what they used to do. Sweeping liquidity. I'm just saying that if you look at these levels here, at the 35. This is what happened in London. That could be a good target for them to sweep that liquidity, and that is what we don't know, you know, if they want to go for it or not. So this is liquidity down there. That is why I'm saying just keep that in mind. But on the 5-minute, we can go to retest the 70s and the 80s right now, as you can see. And then, who knows? Who knows? ES also has this Asia low down there at 33. But if they decide that they just want to push it higher again, then we have to look for a market structure shift somewhere just around here at this point. Yeah. Oh, let me delete this. So that is what we should be looking for in that case. Patience always win. Yeah. Dump 900 profit. Nice. 15 mini contracts. Wow. That is huge. That is huge. I mean, these equal lows are really, really close. It's below the midnight level. It can take it out. There has to be liquidity below there. And actually the low of this candle, I'm gonna check it out, is 34. So yeah, it can go. Sweep these lows and who knows. If not, then we have to see a structure shift soon. And send it back higher. We are 954. So volume should be still okay. If they do a retest of the highs, then it can just skyrocket all the way on the 5-minute, all the way up to 86. I wouldn't be surprised at 86. Five-minute candle closed, just repriced a bit. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think. Yeah, I think it can go higher. Especially a good retest would be up there at 85, but we don't have a confirmation about any bullish structure shift yet on the 1-minute. So we just have to wait. Looking bullish, looking to retest those levels. But again, they can just dump it. Needs one more push to take out that equal lows down there. By the way, on the 1-minute there is, well, a not too perfect bearish order block. Five minutes stays bullish. Yeah, no fear. Yeah, it is still bullish. I'm just surprised that why it's not gonna go down and take that liquidity down there. It's not mandatory, of course. It's just so close. ES almost managed to do the same move, but you know, doesn't necessary thing that it has to do. Looks a little bit like a bearish flag on the 1 minute. Like something that is ready to dump. Needs like 30 points. It can do it. It dropped like 70 since the open. Can do anytime 30 more to grab some liquidity. We don't know. We don't know that for now. Or it can just range. My feeling tells me that it could be sweeping these lows, but it doesn't look like it so far. The bull's trying to push it. I don't see anything. I'm checking it, but nothing to see. More they try, yeah, more dump can come. Yeah. So for now, we're just waiting, but yeah, no other news until the FOMC. Let's see what they're gonna do now. Are they going to sweep those lows or not? It's actually relatively close, right? Yeah. Looks juicy down there, but we don't know. If they want to shift this, can happen on the 1 minute real quickly. Like real quickly. 50% out. Nice, nice, nice. Still waiting what they want to do here. Maybe in this hourly close candle will do something. Not sure though. If it breaks these lows, then it can go for the Asia lows. Not sure. Definitely there is some liquidity down there. ES may also try to take those lows from Asia. Not sure. This is the waiting part, guys. You just have to wait. If we get a setup or anything. You're out. Nice, nice. Well, again, if they want to shift this, they can do that from here to the buy side. Actually, to the opening range high, which would mean we are going to return to the 1 hour order block that I was talking about. What we need a displacement higher. It can be happening. Let's see. You're all I need to get by. No one else can make me smile. Thank you, Dave. Thank you for that. Well, I at least I can make you smile, you know. I can make someone smile. Oh my god, this waiting part is a little bit annoying. Somebody pulled the plug on Nasdaq again. They turned down Nasdaq again. And it's just hard to determine what they want to do. How far are they doing it? Oh, 9. Yeah, it's more than 10 minutes now that they pulled the plug. So they should be really making a decision now. That they want to dump it, or what do they want? What do they want? Come on. Let me just see. A little bit annoying price action, that's for sure. But this can be a sign that it's gonna turn. 260 try to short. We should see 220 soon. Well, I don't know. I don't know. This bear flag, I don't know if I trust it. This consolidation is, I mean, accumulating positions, but from which to which direction, I wonder. That's always a heavy question. Yeah, I'm checking ES2. It seems for a little bit that it wanted to go down for those lows. There are some equal lows as well, but we have the Asia low too on ES, so I was hoping that it will go down there, but for now, not really. It's a little bit decoupled from NQ, but I don't know. Unfortunately, I think NQ can follow. We should see full short. I had that 280. Okay, until that is just small game. Yeah, maybe now it will go higher, reclaim some of those fair value gaps. On the 5 minute, if it goes higher, which I think it will, it should go to the 85s. I don't know. But we're stuck for now. Still waiting if those levels can be swept. I mean, that would be around 25 points to that liquidity, which is not far. Stuck here for good. Can't do anything in this one. Sometime I remember in December we were sitting in these kind of 1 minute barcodes for like 2 hours. The whole AM session basically. And nothing was moving. Nothing. Oh man. Typical. What a great trading day. Yeah. I just really don't know what to make of all this price action here. It's almost like non-tradable. Well, it's not actually, especially not on the 1 hour. We have some levels, but are they gonna pan out? I don't know. I think nobody knows really. Just gotta wait and do our best. I mean, the liquidity would be close, like 25 points really. Can just dip lower and take that equal lows down there. Wouldn't be too much for it to do. 20 points. Anyway, I'll be right back. I have to check something. Don't go anywhere. I'll be right back. All right, I'm here. Oh man, still in the barcode. In this barcode. Okay. No setup in this one. Let's see, maybe ES want to push. I know. I don't know. Already out. Gonna let the last micro run for the rest of the day. Yeah. Well, you know, in this barcode area, we really don't know what the heck it wants to do. It can consolidate for another half hour, who knows? All the way until FOMC. Don't really like that. So it could go up to the 85s from here, which is like a good 17, 18 points. In this range, it should be accumulating more positions. I don't see anything interesting here. Oh man. This is like, this is pure suffering watching this. Happened so many times before. The AM session is basically screwed here. It's going on since almost half hour now. What can we do, right? They turned off Nasdaq, that's for sure. Somebody turned off Nasdaq. Getting ready for shorts. Well, I don't know. They turned it off, that's for sure. So, no matter what we do here, it's just consolidating. Nothing serious is going on here. Well, anyway, let's wait a little bit more. Hoping that until 11 a.m. we will see a direction. Because this is absolutely not ideal. I'm gonna fall asleep in this price action. I really do. I mean, what can I do here? No entry. I mean, no possible setup. Hey, how was your well? Yeah, well, day trade FX. I was losing in the London session, and I just don't know what to do here. I trade micros, most likely with 4 or 5 micros. Usually, try to go with 4 or 5 micros. Sometimes if I scalp, I can go 8 or 10. I don't really like to use the minis just for partial profit taking. You know, I know it's more expensive to use the micros, but yeah. Usually go with at least 2, 3, 4 micros. But man, oh man, this right here, nothing that I like. We are sitting in this for how long? 30. Yeah, almost 40 minutes now. Almost 40 minutes. They pulled the plug. Yeah, these micros are expensive. Sorry to ask, is micro lower risk than risk small than mini? Yeah, if you're going with micros, you definitely risking smaller, definitely. So you should be keeping it lower than, so if you go with 5 or 4, maybe 6 micros, that is still okay, reducing some risk there. Oh man. If it goes up, we should be going over 86, I think. I think it will. It's having a really hard time right now. Okay, so this could be the move to go up to the 86s. Gain some momentum here. $85 maybe. Who knows? Guys, any trades? Let me know if you have any trades on. I just don't know what to do here. It's so terribly boring. How long is Morris is doing a great job here. I can see that now. Morris, you are killing the market. I'm still down like the same way I was in the London session. Buy VXS and wait until what? Pressure? Yeah. Percy, hey there. Please consider to help out the stream if you can by using some of my discounts in the links and the codes. The static account is still available at My Funded Futures. That's technically one of the best deals. Guys, go for the static account. It's still available. It's still there. As I said, short from 82. Nice. So it means that in micro for $1.2. So if you trade 5 micro 10, yeah, 10 points. Yeah. What? 1 micro is $2. Yeah, exactly. $550. Yeah, correct. Sorry, Dave. Yeah, exactly, Dave. Exactly. Exactly. So that's why I trade micros. That is exactly why I like to trade micros. Oh, sorry. Now we're back up again. Now I think that we might be heading up to, well, let's see. Let's check the 1 minute just for a second. Out from shorts. Now future trading just starts to make sense for me. Do you think if we have $300, can we trade future? Well, with $300, if I would have $300 to trade futures, that is not enough leverage to trade on your personal account. That is too small for, I mean, of course it's money, but it's not enough, even with micros. If I would have $300 for only trading with futures, I would buy a prop firm account. And I'm not saying because I'm affiliated because of prop firms, but for $300 you can buy leverage to yourself. Chances are high that even if you put the $300 into your personal account, and if you don't have too much experience, you're gonna lose that money. But on $300 you can buy not just one but more evaluation accounts, and if you succeed, then you can pull much more money out with the $300. So that's how I would do it if that money would be for trading. And by the way, with $300, even if you want to put it under your name at a futures prop firm, I'm sorry, not prop firm, at a futures broker, I would never go more than 1 micro. Just 1 micro strictly. That's the smallest. But it's not enough. You have to have more leverage. That's why I say you can get accounts for $30, $40, $50, you know, 50K accounts, or you can buy 100K accounts for a little bit more. Gives you a little, but of course it's not $50,000. For example, a 50K account, you buy $2,000 or $2,500 leverage to yourself. That's how you should see the thing. On a 150K account, if you buy a 150K prop firm account, you buy around $4,500 of leverage or capital. So that's good. Back to shorts at 300. Nice. Nice. 100K for future trading. What is the contract size and leverage we get as we trade? Well, it depends on which prop firm you go with. No problem, Dave. It depends on which prop firm. So if I were you to start with a 100K account, the end of day trading would be good for you, and you should be perfectly fine with a starter account. And with the 100K, so I'm just going to show you an example here. Let me show you an example. Just give me a second. So here in this example, with the 100K starter account, you can get 10 contracts. It's a lot. trust me, it's a lot. You don't need this much. You don't need this much. There is a scaling plan, which means I think you're going to start out with 3 contracts. That's the maximum contract size you can go with. But trust me, you do not need that. I'm going to show you the My Funded Future scaling plan. Just a second. This is actually important. So on a 100K account, you start with 3 minis or 30 micros on a 100K. It's more than you need. It's way more than you don't even need the 10 contracts or the 100 micros or the 4 or the 5. You are way good with this. It's even too much. Even you would be good with 2 and 20. So the starter account is good. And what was your question again? Let me see. Yeah, I mean, I would trade micros if you're just dipping your toes. Go with the starter. End of day trailing is better for you. So choose My Funded Futures. And you don't have to use my code, of course, but my code gives you 30% from this starter, which brings you down to how much? $140 on the starter account if you use my code, which is a good price. And you can also get an activation fee if you pass for $104. So that's a very good price or cost to funding for 100K. If you click on my link and use my code, that's greatly appreciated, but you don't have to. You can go with any other code or link, but that's good. Or you can go with TOPSTEP, but TOPSTEP is also good. With TOPSTEP you can get a 100K account almost at the same price. I don't even know. Futures trading in Canada blows chunks. Cost per trade is crazy. If anyone knows good broker Canada, let me know. All right, what is the difference between starter and expert? Why is this separate? The expert account, there is no activation fee. Now here you have an activation fee if you pass the challenge. For example, on 100K you pass the 6K threshold, you have to pay for the funded account $149, while on the expert account you don't have to pay activation fee, but as you can see it's a little bit more expensive. Still, if you use my code you get 5% down from this amount, but there is no activation fee and there is no scaling plan, so you can go all in with 10 contracts. I strongly advise you not to do that. And the profit target is $8,000, 8K. Here it's only 6K. I'm going with the starters right now because I'm not trading big size, I'm trading small size. So that's the main difference. That's the main difference. I mean, advantage. Yeah, no problem, Dave. I'm happy to help, and I'm also affiliated with these companies, so this is my business intention. Of course, I'm not gonna lie to talk you into some prop accounts. Of course, it is in my attention to. But yeah, really, My Funded Futures gives you everything. End of day trailing, which is awesome. I have no problem with intraday too. But if you're starting out, go with the starter account. 50K or 100K, you're perfectly fine. 140, but again, if you use my code, here it is. I can show you. Actually, it was, where is? It's here somewhere. They upgraded my code. Right here. Sorry. Come on. Oh, come on, man. There. So for 150K, 100K and 150 and 50K, the evaluation account, I mean the activation fee is $104 with my code. And if you need to reset the account, if you blow it, it's still cheap. It's $70 if you have to reset it. It's usually $100. So you save money with this one on the starter accounts only. On the expert accounts, you don't get the 30%. So that is why it's good. So we need to pay 200 every, yes, exactly, 140 with the discount, $140 each month on a 100K account. Yeah, every month. If we got funded, no, if you got funded only once, sorry, only once, and one time activate, yeah, so exactly. If you're doing okay, you should be able to get funded in about, I mean, some people do it in a day, some people do it in a month. It's personal preference, how you trade, what is your strategy. But you can do it actually in 2 months, I think. So consider these options too. Right? So still cheaper than if you go with the Forex prop firm. I say that. So it's still a cheaper option than a Forex prop firm. What the hell does price want to do here? I wonder. What the hell? Got back down. I'd like to see NQ take out those lows, but you know, if it's not going to, then it's not going to. But very unusual price action, that's for sure. Cheaper than Forex prop firms, yeah, that's absolutely cheaper this way. The reset is also an option for you. You know, if something goes bad. So yeah. Oh man, what a day. What is happening on the 5-minute here? Repriced. Is it gonna go lower? Who knows? Adding to the shorts. You're adding to your shorts. Nice. Question is, again, are we going to sweep these lows? What is ES doing? Swept some highs. So can see more lower prices here. I'm just not sure if we will. Back to this congestion area, it can definitely be hard for price to go through this level. Just want to clarify, if we go for 100K, I need to pay $140 with the discount, not 200. And if we fail reset 70, how about if I don't want to reset and my challenge already failed? Still, yeah, you can cancel your account. You can cancel it, or you can just leave it on, and on the next month you're gonna get rebuild, but they're going to reset it for you for free. I mean, it's in the rebuild price. If you blow your account, you don't necessarily have to cancel it. You will get a rebuild on the discounted price. I mean, sorry, a reset on the discounted price. I mean, on a monthly price. So yeah. Are we going down here, or what the hell is going on? No idea. Are we still pay? If we got no. If you got funded, you don't have to pay a monthly fee anymore. Once you pay the activation fee, which is $104 with the discount, you don't have to pay anything more on your funded account. It's over then. It's lifetime account from that time on. Can you use MT5? No, I'm sorry. I'm sorry I didn't respond to you, Fendi. I'm sorry. Please forgive me. You can't. M Futures has MT5, I know that, but I don't know if you can connect through MT5 by using M Futures. So far, no. But M Futures is having MT5, by the way. Just saying. That's not a prop firm. It's a regular futures firm. What was the spread and execution on my phone? There's basically no spread, like technically nothing. The execution at my funded futures and the other prop firms is the same because these are regulated. Everybody sees the same exact price to the tick. Like Forex prop firms, they can play with spread. They show you different prices. They can mess up your chart. They can spike you out from your stop losses. While futures prop firms are regulated because the market is regulated, and by the law they have to show you the exact same price. So that's why it's much better and smoother experience. I don't think I'm delayed. Let me check, because yesterday I managed to check a setting. Let me check if I'm delayed. All right, you're gonna see an echo, but let me check if I am delayed. All right, so if I am delayed. All right, so if I am delayed. No, I'm not delayed. I'm actually fine. No, I'm not delayed. I'm actually fine. Listen, here's an echo. I'm talking to myself. I'm actually fine. Listen, here's an echo. I'm talking to myself. I'm actually fine. Listen, here's an echo. I'm talking to myself. I'm actually fine. Listen, here's an echo. I'm talking to myself. Yeah. So I'm not delayed. Listen, here's an echo. I'm talking to myself. Yeah. So I'm not delayed. Okay, so it seems like the delay is about 2 seconds, which is very good. Yesterday and on Monday we had 40 seconds delay. Now I trade with my funded futures. I trade with Apex. I trade with TOPSTEP. You see all these prop firms up there. I trade with basically all of them. I trade with my funded futures, TOPSTEP, Apex, BULENOX. For someone who is starting out, I mean, my funded futures and TOPSTEP is great. I would say if you have that extra money, you should go with my funded futures or TOPSTEP. The intraday trailing stop is gonna mess you up a little bit, so I would say for now don't go with Apex. Those are great companies too, and BULENOX as well. Go with my funded futures or TOPSTEP. All you have to do to get a 20% discount is to go through my link and register for an account at TOPSTEP. It's basically the same. The payout rules are good. Support is good. My favorite is my funded futures and Apex. Well, there's no specific like top list, like who is #1, but these are my favorites. That's why I also like to be affiliated with them. Brings a few dollars to the stream. I mean the trading platform, Ninja Trading. I'm using. I'm not using MetaTrader. There is no MetaTrader. I'm using QuantTower. So I'm gonna show you. QuantTower is a very popular trading platform. You have to download it. This is QuantTower. You have to register to QuantTower. Sorry, what did I do? Anyway, I'm using QuantTower. You can use NinjaTrader too. I was using NinjaTrader for a while, but because I'm copy trading between multiple prop firms, it's easier for me to use QuantTower. So go with QuantTower. That's what if I were you, I would go with QuantTower or NinjaTrader, but QuantTower is more user friendly, I think. No MetaTrader. There is no MetaTrader for these futures prop firms. QuantTower, and choose the rhythmic, because if you register for any of these prop firms, either way choose QuantTower. Yeah, choose QuantTower because you will get the rhythmic data connection. That's a long story. Just go with QuantTower. or NinjaTrader. You will get the option to choose from. Just go with that. Okay, pretty much ranging again. Guys, this, I mean, just tell me if this is tradable, because this is not tradable by any means. Let me know if any one of you agree, but this is non-tradable. Absolutely not. Absolutely not tradable. I would love to see some good entries, but there is just nothing. It will range. Oh yeah, it will. It will. The only thing I'm hoping to see is maybe the sweep of this lows here, and maybe the Asia lows. But guys, this is gonna be like full range. Full range. Okay. We're ranging, guys. We're ranging. I saw you mention 100k max tank. Is it tank contract for micro or e-mini NAS? Yeah, you can go with 10 minis. You can go with 100 micros. You don't need that ever, ever, ever. E-mini, yeah, for the e-mini, absolutely. But you will never going to go with 100 micros, never, because it's, for one, it's super expensive with the commission. For two, that's stupid. For three, it's stupid. So never, you're never gonna use it. On a 100k account, you should be perfectly fine with 2 minis or maximum 20 micros. Trust me, you should be perfectly fine. That's the maximum. Now look at that. We might be dropping. We might be dropping there. But this congestion area is just, you know, I don't like that. I was waiting for this move to might jump in, but there is no setup here that I like. So, not forcing it. This is a difficult day for sure. It's difficult for me. Look at this. It's gonna go down. Should be taking out the 34 now. I mean, no guarantees, but that's what I think. Okay, let's see. Yeah, it's stuck in there again. It's stuck in the range. We're stuck in the range, boys. You shorted again. 259. Morris. Come on, Morris. Come on. Look at this. It's back here. Now, this is typically the price that you don't want to join in this kind of action. Oh man, this day is like super difficult, guys. Super difficult. Oh man. Excuse me. Let's go. Nice short. I mean 259. Yeah, Morris. 59, yeah. Oops, it is making right leg not good for your short. Well, it can go down, I think. You know, look at these equal lows down there. I think it will go down. Question is when. Now, what is the FOMC stuff going on? It's gonna be in 3 hours. Yeah, it's in 3 hours. There's gonna be some firecrackers going on. Can you explain the trailing max drawdown 3000 and drawdown end of day? Oh yeah, good questions. Good questions. So it's I think I have, or at least I had. I think I have a graph here. Just give me a second. Give me a second. There you go. Because I'm preparing a chart for this for one of my videos. So look at this. This is the intraday trailing drawdown. This line is white line. Is it white? Let's call it white, okay? So this is your open position. Let's say, for example, you go up into almost $4,000 in profit. Sorry, $3,740 in profit. But you decide not to close down your trade, and you close it down in a loss on the same day or the same trade, doesn't really matter. The stop loss of the account from minus $4,000 is trailing all the way up, and it's following the highest watermark of your equity. So the highest watermark of your equity was $3,740. Now your stop out level is going to be minus $760. You closed the trade with a $2,030 profit, but because you didn't close it on the highest position, your trailing stop is still locked in at negative 760. So this means that the highest watermark is going to be locked in. The highest equity watermark is going to be locked in on your trading. And this threshold is going to actually this one is not correct here. This one should be up here. So if for example here you make a new high and you close it here, then it's going to move along. But if you start to lose, this one is going to stay here, and your highest watermark is still going to be here. But if you make another winning day, then it's going to end. For example, this is on a 150K account. If you reach $4,500, here is $4,800. It's going to lock in at the base balance of $0. So this is what the intraday trading drawdown means. Now the end of day trailing drawdown is a little bit different because it's only going to measure your end of day balance. So for example, if you were up $4,000 during the day, but at the end of the day you closed at $2,000 of profit, the end of day trailing drawdown is going to register your trailing stop at the end of day balance, which is a little bit more friendlier than the intraday. So that's why is the difference: intraday trailing drawdown, end of day trailing drawdown. Now, if you're trading small size, the intraday trailing drawdown should not really concern you because it's a manageable thing. But for starters, it's maybe easier to go with the end of day trailing drawdown. Very important that it's going to lock in on a 100K account. It locks in at $3,000, I think. So yeah, so if your balance goes up to $103,000, it's going to stop trailing. So no more trailing from there, right? No matter if it's end of day or intraday, whatever. The trailing drawdown is going to lock in at your $100,000 plus 100. Don't ask me why plus 100, but it's going to lock in at your starting capital. So if you are up $5,000, you're already locked in at 100K. Okay, so that is what it basically means. It's different than on the Forex prop firms. That's why I'm saying today there is an option to take a static account. The static is not trailing, but you only have a $1,500 threshold. This is not going to trail. So the static account is still available today, but it's I don't have a discount, maybe a 5% discount from this one. You can choose this if you want to. I don't know how much is the discount on this. Let me check it. Do I have a discount? Yeah, I think I have, 5% discount. So you can get it for $285. And this is not trailing. It's always going to stay at $1,500. And it's a 30K account. So your drawdown limit is going to be at $28,500. Yeah. So again, there is no big issue with the intraday trading drawdown if you're trading small. Just go small. That's the thing. Trust me, it's not complicated. You get used to it very fast. Very, very, very fast. It's not more complicated. Trust me, it's okay. It's absolutely fine. It's actually forcing you to trade smaller and use proper risk management. Actually, I think it's not a bad thing. I think it's absolutely not a bad thing. And it's going to lock in anyway. It's going to lock in anyway. So if you make profit, it's going to lock in and at your base capital. So at the end of the day, if you're profitable, who cares, right? Overall. For example, this account that I'm trading at My Funded Futures, it's already locked in. This is a starter account. I'm trading it since February. You can see every day I'm trading it with some small profits, small losses, but overall you can see it's okay. Today I'm gonna be down a little bit, but overall it's good. My minimum account balance is already locked in at $2,100, and you see I'm already okay. At the end of the curve, I'm already locked in. Minimum account balance. Oh, you can't see it, of course, because it's the minimum account balance. As I went up, you can see it's 49,051, 49,109, 49,545. As the account was growing, it locked in. You can't see because it was cut off from the screen, but it's $50,100. It's already locked in. So from this moment, it's okay. it's static. From this actually from yesterday. From yesterday, it's static. Actually, from Monday, I have it's already as a static account, so it doesn't really matter, and it's good. No problem. It's not complicated. You just have to use proper risk management. That's all. It's absolutely not complicated. Trade small. Use risk management wisely. Have discipline, and that's all there is to it. That's all. It's not difficult. Trust me. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. So you trade 50k account, and so far you're up 2100 for profit. That you mean, yes, I'm up on this account. This is one of my accounts. I'm up $2,238, but it's already locked in. So this account is already locked in at 50,100. So it's not trailing anymore. It's not trailing. As you can see, minimum account balance lock is already being reached. So I'm already over. So it's fine. But I have multiple 50k accounts. I have 50k. I have like 3 accounts that I share with you guys here on stream, and I have 4 other accounts. I have 2 funded accounts, and all of them are 50k accounts. So I manage multiple accounts, but I'm not sharing everything with you guys here on the stream. I'm sharing the My Funded Futures account, the BULENOX account, and there's going to be Apex account, because last week, if you check my video, I blown 4 accounts. You can check my video, Dave. A lot of viewers for that video, but I've blown 4 of my accounts. I did very bad. But I had 6 accounts that I was copy trading on stream. Now I'm down to 3 because I regained 2 accounts yesterday. You can go with the 100. It's not mandatory for 50. I'm just managing more accounts, multiple accounts, and for risk management, it's good for me to go with 50s. You can do whatever you want. You can go with 25k. I think there's no 25k at My Funded Futures. Yeah, there's no 25k. Only Apex has 25k. So lock, it mean that you cannot trade. No, you can. You can. Sorry. This means that it's not going to trail your stop. I mean your balance anymore. For example, if I make more profit, the maximum loss limit is going to stay the same. So, for example, if I would make $2,000 today, then, which is more than enough, but for example, this would be a funded account, and if I make $2,000, then this would stay at 50,100. You don't see it. Okay, so this would stay at 50,100, and my balance would grow, but it's going, it is locking in. It's locking in this level. This level would be locked in. No more trading. I can make as much as I want, and it's going to be static, so I can continue to trade. That's what it means, which is a good thing. Basically, from that moment, you have a static account, which is good. Which is good. It's not complicated. People overcomplicating it. Everybody overcomplicates it. Oh my god, it's trailing. It's fine. I don't even think about it anymore. Actually, I really don't think about it anymore, the trading stop, because I know I trade small. That's it. I just not think about it. It's perfectly fine. Let's see what's going on. What is going on? Do we have anything here? The dog is barking, so that means prices are gonna go up. My neighbor's dog is barking, so it's definitely a bullish sign. Okay, I wish this dog could tell me how far this can go higher. All right. Let's see. Chilling, yeah. Yeah, not all countries can trade. By the way, I'm just gonna show you guys how I'm doing with these accounts. I'm in a loss today, but let me update you guys real quick. This is the My Funded Futures account. I started the day from 52,238. I'm down to, come on, I'm down to 52,171. And as you guys know, I have the BULENOX account, started today from 52,664. I'm down to 52,613. And the other BULENOX account is started from 52,335. I'm down to 52,302, which is not a big loss, but still, you know, it wasn't really good. So let me go back to the My Fund. The My Funded Futures account somehow suffered a bigger loss. I don't know why. I think there was a problem with the lag with the copy trader. That could have been the issue, I think. But anyway, it's okay. It's okay. There are so many other better opportunities other than NQ. Maybe. Let's look at crude oil. Let's check crude oil. All right, let's check it because we're waiting. So we have some time to do so. Let's check crude oil because I was willing to look into crude oil. Oh my god, I have to change this style. All right, crude oil. Okay. We have this one. Daily midnight open. Buy side. Oh no, this is not buy side. Previous day high. Previous day low. And what do we have? I'm not trading crude oil. It's just fun to watch. Let's look at the 1 hour. Crude oil is not my playground. That's for sure. We have sell side here. Sell side until we're waiting because it's just super boring, guys. Super boring. Honestly, there's nothing to do in this environment. So, look at this. It's not bad. NQ going up. Let's look at it. Oh, it's going up. Yeah. Husk Trader, good morning. Welcome. Let me give a proper applause for Husk Trader. How you doing? Okay. Yeah, it's going up. Seems like it. Had a hard time putting out those lows. So if ES starts to continue higher, well, yeah. Yeah, so Colonel Willis says not all country can trade futures. Yes, there are some restrictions for some countries. Have to check for yourself. Target 400. While NQ was sideways, crude and gasoline was in smooth short trend. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Let's check it. This was definitely a short. Let me look at the London session at crude oil. So that's the problem for me with crude oil in the London session. Look at these candles. Untradeable. Absolutely. So you can basically trade it better in the New York Open or after the New York Open. But I didn't really see anything. Well, this short was good. It could be still good to target the 80.71, but I don't know how it behaves. So crude oil is still something that I have to look into. I wanted to look into gold as well. I wanted to trade gold. I might still gonna trade gold in the future, but yeah. Bull's not ready to give up yesterday. Yeah. It feels like it. Feels like it. Pretty much sideways action. Boys and girls. Not sure what to do. Man, I mean, look at this. We are in a consolidation right now. Absolutely no entry, no targets. I mean, I'm still favoring the downside here, but according to my model, there is just nothing I could do here. No entry, no nothing, no nothing. Lower highs here. This one is a lower high, so we might try to push down. I mean, sorry, yeah, dump it one more. If it would be shifting this structure, that would be something interesting I would go with. So here, that would be a nice bearish market structure shift right here. I have to wait. Looking for a break 300 and 400. Well, I'd like to see that too, but only if ES would decide to go for that 250. Yeah, 52, 53 maybe, but all-time high is still up there at 57. It might go for that. Look at ES. I think ES is definitely bullish. It's going to pull NQ. And we have a 1 hour order block up there. So 1 hour order block, guys. Don't forget that. If we would see a nice displacement to the highs, then, you know, that would be really something that we could take. We're approaching the lunch hour. I mean soon, not now, but we're definitely outside of the kill zone for the AM session. But the lunch hour, we noticed together that it can do wonders. It will happen. All right, Fendi. Well, if you say it will happen, I'm definitely confident. I'm confident in your knowledge. All right, everyone. Fendi is saying that it will happen. So place your bets. Yeah, I mean, Well, you're doing good, you know. From 255, you're doing excellent. All right. Let me know what you guys are up to. Are you looking for anything in particular? Let me know. Ba-dum-bum-bum-bum. At this point, we're just waiting. It might be shifting higher again. If it does, then we'll be ready. We'll be ready, guys. If it does, we'll be ready. We'll be here. Oh well. I'm just checking the charts here to see if I can spot something, but lower time frames don't do anything. Edilson Silva, thank you for the subscription and welcome. Welcome, 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 welcome to the stream. Let me give you a proper applause. Thank you so much for joining. I did hear the applause, but you guys, the desktop was muted. Thank you for joining. All right. All right. What is the profit split? Profit split, you can keep 100% of your first $10,000, I think. And then 90% for you and 10% for the company. Which is, I think, a good deal. I think it's a good deal, right? I think it is. So 100%. Let me check the vault here. Okay, it's working. So so yeah, the profit split is good. 100% from your first 10k, and after that 90%. 90/10. We got funded 50k account size. Is that a live real money? No, it's simulated. Everything is simulated, just as the same way as in Forex prop firms. Everything is virtual play money. Demo accounts. Basically, these are all demo accounts. Nothing is real. These prop firms are making money from failed challenge fees. So everything is simulated. If you are very good and you have a consistently good track record for a few months, then they are saying that they are going to call you up to a live account. But personally, I never really heard too many people reaching that. Only a handful of few. So you're going to trade on a simulated demo virtual account, which I couldn't care less about. I don't care if it's the demo account. The same market data, the same candles, everything is the same. All I care is the payout, and that's it. All I care about is the payout. But all the Forex prop firms are using demo accounts too. Even if they say that you are live, we were talking about it before the market opened. Even if they write you that it's a live account, it's not live, it's a demo account. It's going to be a demo account anyway. Nothing is live here. Everything is just virtual. But who cares? As long as they pay, I'm okay. Now look at this. This one might be shifting. Let me zoom it out. That's the goal, payout, exactly. Payout is the goal. I don't care if it's virtual account or not. Okay, the high here. They said step 3, get verified after you pass the challenge. You will establish yourself as a consistent trader and move to a verification step. What do you mean, consistent trader? I think that's the phase when you get to a live account. So when you get funded, so when you pass the evaluation, that's step 1. You get funded to a simulated funded account, that's step 2. And so far, I don't really know anyone who got to step 3. But I don't care about that, actually. That's step 3. Okay. Of course, they have to verify. I mean, oh, wow. 88, 78. I'm looking to go long on this one, actually. I'm really looking to go long. Hold on. Take a scalp here, if I can. The 1-to-1 with 4 micros, maybe. Can I go? At least 3. Okay, I'm gonna go with 3 micros. I have a buy limit. The low of this candle is at 88.25. Okay, I have a buy limit at 88.25. Buy limit at 88.25. Let's see if I get triggered here. Okay, there you go. So yeah, don't worry about that. I'm still not filled here. Missed my entry. It's not gonna be a 1-to-2 risk to reward, but it's good for a scalp. Well, small trade, I would say so. If it goes lower, well, who knows? Okay, now I got filled. I'm in the trade for now. Who knows for how long? Maybe I have to widen my stop a little bit. Just a little bit, maybe. I have to follow. Oh no, it's not looking good. It's not looking good. Was a little bit aggressive entry here. The problem is it closed below that gap. I don't like that. I don't like that because if it's using it as an inversion, it can dump all the way down. Oh man. I was really hoping for this to take some new highs. I closed it. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I closed it break even. I can't do this. It's not ideal conditions. I have to close it. I closed it. Guys, I just can't handle it. Today was too much frustration for me. Not gonna lie. It should go, but it's just one of those days. Like it dropped immediately, and I just don't feel it right now. Maybe it will go, but oh man, look at this go. Yeah, the problem is FOMC. That's my problem. I've taken too much risk today, to be honest. Hey, no problem, Dave. Thank you for your questions and hope to see you soon. Thanks for dropping in. Do you use stock? No. Sometimes I use the RSI, but not really for entering. I'm just looking at it and trying to see if there's a divergence or it is overbought for a long time now or something, but not really. Not important. I just look at it to see what can I expect, but not that important. All right, let's just wait. I'm glad I exited from that trade, actually. This is not ideal. That works too. Yeah, well, it's as I said, Fendi. It's I'm only using it for just to get a feeling of what price is doing. These are not ideal conditions to enter, guys. Maybe it would be better to wait for the PM session to enter after the FOMC. FOMC, exactly, Greg. That's what I think will happen or should happen. So I just know the market's still within the opening. Yeah, I mean, let's look at this. Market open was here, and we're still just ranging. And if you look at these lows, right? I mean, basically we're still inside that opening range. Nothing has really happened so far. We're just inside this huge range, taking internal liquidity. I wouldn't be if, for example, it would displace below 73. We could look for a possible short entry and target down at, well, 234 finally. I'd love to see that. I think it should be taken. Well, but you know, I think I do have to wait for this to be taken right here. For example, there. Otherwise, I don't really care of what is going on here in this area. I just want to see. I just want to see it break for some direction. This level down there is what really interested me during the day. Down there. But it failed to dump lower. Now, if this one would displace lower here, I would be interested to try once more. But we're in the premium. Hope we will get something out of this. I've been chopped out today. Should have looked. Yeah, I mean, this was a chop day. This was a chop day for sure. This was a chop day. Definitely a chop day. Oh, sorry. What is my Discord doing here? Oh, okay, let's put it here. It's much better. Okay. Da, 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 da. Okay, all right, all right. Pretty static. All right, let's see what's going on. Let's see what is happening. So this is the level I like price to displace through. This gap is still acting as support. Taking some internal liquidity. I don't know. I don't know. Hard to decide. Still not panicking. Don't panic, Fanny. Don't panic. Don't panic. We just have to wait. Look at this. Equal lows here. These two. Next target down there. I want to see the displacement. After this candle close, just boom. Displace, and I'm going to target the 34s. How about that? But if I look at the 5 minute, there's nothing here, guys. This was, we have an order block up here. Has been touched. So this is a 5 minute bearish order block. Starting right here. The great comeback. Yeah. Starting right here at 304.50. So I don't know, man. Feels like we can go back there, right? Feels like it. We are ranging. This environment is just not tradable. This is Chop City. Without any major displacement, is no direction. I'm favoring this level at the 34s, but doesn't really matter. So let me see how much I'm down today. I am down a little bit, not too much. A little bit. Less than 1 R, fortunately. Come on, let's see. Are we going to have a displacement? Come on, let's do this. That's it. It's looking good. It's looking good. Break lower. Break lower, break lower. Man, I have to listen to some Spotify or something, I don't know. This candle has like 20 seconds to close lower. Come on. Come on, close lower. Come on. Displace. Displace. It's not doing... Okay, well, this is exactly not what I was looking for. I want to zoom this out. Let's look at closer. The low of this candle was 73. The close of this candle was 73. Oh my god, this is not a clear break. I hope it's repricing it real quick to 75. Come on, reprice it. I don't want this to stay like this. Equal. This is equal. It's not going to reprice. 74. 74, 40. I can go into 2 micros. Can I do that? Oh, look at that. Now it's going. Now it's going. Yeah, I could be risking about 50 bucks on this trade. Let me see how much can I make if I hold it until the final TP. It should be down there. Oh, I can make $150 on this profit. Wow. Should I go in? I think I will. I think I will. So limit order at 74. Who knows? I get tagged in this one, then it's gonna be rock and roll. If I get tagged in on this one, I'm in the trade, short from 74. It's looking for you. Yeah. I'm short from 74. Well, who knows? Let me put this out for you guys. Yeah, so this is my entry. Yeah. Short from 74. Man, I don't like this. Using a tight stop, only risking 50 bucks. And yeah. You know, the lunch hour can bring some opportunities maybe. Maybe try once more to that sell side down there. Who knows? We could use a winner today, that's for sure. It's only 2 micros, but oh man. It's not looking good. It's actually looking bad. Very bad. Maybe the final target would be 45-ish. But then again, if it gets down here to below the 50s, 37 should be taken. ES could be looking for some lows as well. Getting liquidity for the push-up could be. If I look at the 5-minute, it can be still just a liquidity sweep in this fair value gap. But if this gap fails to push it higher, then it's all the way down. Tom, some of my viewers are still waiting on that PP touch. You know, the PP touch is, I mean, I don't know, for one, what is that? I have some ideas, but second, I thought we agreed that I'm gonna do like 2,700 Hungarian forints. I can do that actually. So I'm gonna go with the 2,700 Hungarian forints, which is gonna be able to buy a cheeseburger menu at McDonald's for everyone. How about that? That's good, I think. That's reasonable. That's reasonable, right? That's a cheeseburger. PP is cheaper. You know, the problem is I'm not really into that stuff, but I'm gonna go with the 2,700 Hungarian forints. So tell your viewers it's gonna be a cheeseburger menu. I think it's about $8, right? So I don't know if you can get a cheeseburger menu or a simple cheeseburger for $8, but that's about it. Oh, there you go. Hot streak. Thank you. There you go. Cheeseburgers are good, right? You can choose McDonald's or Burger King, you know, whatever. Should be okay for a cheeseburger. 2,700 Hungarian forints can cover that. I think so. I think it can cover. I think we can do that, you know, for the community. I'll give both options. All right. Oh, okay. Damn, I am so don't. I mean, this price action. Wow. I mean, I'm even considering to close down this trade. I don't even know why I entered this one. I have no idea why I entered this trade. But, you know, we'll see. So this means that you're here. You're pretty much bored with your viewers. Okay, middle of the range entry. Well, I don't even know why I entered here. I think I entered because of this fair value gap. Let me show you. This one. You know what? I'm gonna put it to break even and forget about it. That's it. What did I just do? I'm gonna put it to break even there. It's at break even. So we don't care about this trade anymore. If it takes me out, I don't care. We're at break even. Unfortunately, it's gonna take me out. So like me. This is not a good tradable environment. What is my entry exactly? I didn't even know. It's 74. Let's modify this. $73.50. I had to modify it in case of any kind of slippage. The market stops. So if it stops me out, I'm gonna be relieved. What is this? Limit should be down there. There. Actually, it should be way down there. Free trade, guys. I'm in a free trade. So good. No risk. House money. We are playing with house money, guys. I'm so good. So awesome. Waiting till after lunch before involvement. Yeah, you too. Well, you guys, you see, this is at least it's just it's just it's nothing here. It's just playground money. I mean, we are risk free, guys. That's all that matters. We are risk free. So I was in this congestion zone before, and this was terrible. And yeah, that's it. And it was terrible. 74, 75. Dun, dun, dun. Should I sell one contract? Okay, I sold one contract, guys. I sold one contract. I want to play it safe, so I sold one contract. What is my 73.50? Okay. My limit is going to be 35. Okay. Sold one micro. So at least I made some profits on this one. $74, $75. I'm targeting the 35s down there. I'm super happy. Repricing that gap. Might slip lower. So we were in this zone for quite a while. Now I'm curious if they want to go down and take out those relative equal lows at 35. I'm really curious about that. Because if not, then, you know. If not, then we don't care. It took me out break even. Well, I think it's gonna take me out break even too. I mean, I closed one. I took partial, so there you go. It shoots up again. Interesting price action, that's for sure. Very interesting. Very interesting. This is absolute crazy action right here. There you go. I'm out. All right. All right. Oh man. I mean, I'm happy. I have nothing to complain here on a day like this. I have no orders. This is just... This is exactly the thing that you should not be trading in. Oh, guys. Hey, Kid Nash. Can't reach Husk today. I was gonna listen, but my computer didn't hook up to his site for some reason. Really? I didn't notice that. Well, I was a little bit down in the London session. I made it back a little bit. From the 3 accounts, one is back to break even. One is down a few dollars, and the My Funded Futures is down about $30 or $40. Oh, there you go. He ended the stream early. Had audio issues. Oh. Well. Yeah, so this price action is not really good for me. Anyway. Yeah. Well, guys, this is just absolutely unenjoyable like this. Watching this, these candles doing nothing. Hey, you have been on fire. Yesterday was great. Oh, well. It's never always straight up, Tom. I'm definitely keeping it. Yesterday I was on fire. Today was a little bit slow. And I'm a little bit exhausted to be honest, but there's really nothing to do here. I mean, I'm watching ES as well and trying to figure out what could be going on with NQ, but nothing. We are ranging. Everybody's waiting for FOMC, I think, and I'm not gonna do that. We tired. Had fun. Yeah, guys, I think this is it for me. I'm gonna cut it. I don't have anything here. Everybody's gonna wait for FOMC. It's just not worth. I mean, I'm tired. Anyway, guys, I'm gonna be back in London session. Thank you so much for joining. Please, if you can help out the stream, use my codes and links. I would greatly appreciate that. That always helps the stream and keeps the spirit alive and keeps the things rolling. So thank you so much. I wish you guys all the best, and see you guys in the London session. Please join me. Have a great evening, everyone. Take care.